Hey gorgeous, welcome to Anita's Favorites. To all of my subscribers, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. So listen, today I want to do an update on two collections, okay? So let me start with my bag of the day. Y'all know the drill. So y'all, I think what's happening, I am in my small bag era. I have not carried this bag. It's been at least 4, possibly 5 years. So this is the Maxi Quilt Small Kylie Hobo, okay? It's in the color black. You see this back zip? This is where I keep my phone, okay? Cute little bag. I mean, yeah. Decided to pull her out and carry her. So now, y'all, again, small bag era. I found this cute little bag. Saw it on Olive Dooney. Then I saw it on eBay. So look at this. This is called the crossbody. Okay. Yep. It's in the Denison collection in the color smoke gray, trimmed in this espresso brown or brown tomorrow. I love it, y'all. So you can adjust the strap on here, all right? So as a crossbody, this is how it's looking on me, and I'll probably bring it up a little bit so I can go right here. Decided to get it from eBay because the shipping is free on eBay. And this bag is only like $89. It came in deep teal and the midnight blue, but I got the smoke gray. Last time I did a video, I showed you my teal Russell, small Russell. Absolutely love that bag. So I'm loving the dark brown accents on here. So this can be removed, put on another bag. Let me show you what she's looking like on the inside. Stuffed, and comes with a dust bag. So, yep, key keeper, slip pockets, good little size. A wallet can fit in here, and a phone. All right, this is darling. This is so darling. Love it. So versatile. Okay, so that's that. Then, the last time we met, I showed you all, let me see, my red hobo in the Greta, okay? This size, loving this bag. Such a great carry. So, I have that one, and then I have it in pebble grain in the color forest. Cute little bag. These bags are always priced so well as well. Okay, leather duck patch. Love this bag. Good size hobo. Not too big, not too small. Okay. All right. So, you know, we have the need to just keep adding and keep adding and keep adding, and I'm trying to stop doing that, okay? In the color espresso. Y'all, this color is so pretty. Oh, it's a beautiful, rich brown. Beautiful. So the strap is on the inside, okay? They all come with this thick strap. I won't unwrap it because you've seen it. Yeah, y'all. So, very pretty. Loving this hobo for my small era. For my small bag era. Beautiful. Okay, they were giving this away. They literally gave it away. They just was like, here, auntie. And I also have the flap wallet and espresso as well. Great wallet. Plenty of card slots. Okay. Fits in this bag. And because this is the trim on all these bags, I'm gonna resist the urge to get the matchy smoke gray wallet and just use this. And as you can see, it fits with room. All right. So I was really glad when they restocked the espresso. It's hard to get those espresso wallets. All right. So Denison espresso, Denison smoke gray. You saw the deep teal in my small Russell. And here is the Denison in the ruby satchel. This one is with script. Has a strap to wear as a crossbody as well. Cute little bag. Okay. Love the little ruby satchels. All right. So that's my Denison additions. Now, I said I wanted to show, because I'm in my small bag era, this bag that I have just fell for that totally surprised me, y'all. Totally surprised me. None other than the Florentine Satchel 30. Here it is in the color navy. I did an unboxing on my channel of this bag already. Y'all, I love this bag so much. Gorgeous. And this is my Coach triple chain that I'm putting on everything. Okay? Putting it on everything. I love this. Love this bag. And it does come with a strap. So, my newest obsession right here. Florentine leather satchel 30. Clean lines. Beautiful. So, this also was on a very good price on eBay. Okay. Added chestnut. Woo. Let me get her open. I'll be right back. Y'all, she's smooth as butter. So pretty. Oh, this is a beautiful bag. And I will be putting that same Coach chain on this one as well. Okay. And I also snagged it in the red. This is a beautiful, look at that red Florentine. Absolutely gorgeous. Stunning. Yep. Loving this. So y'all catch this as I'm making this video. This is still on eBay for a very good price. Florentine with a 1 in front of it with free shipping. Run. Okay. The Florentine Satchel 30. Gorgeous, gorgeous bag. So that's the update to a couple of my collections. I do hope you have enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give me a like. And as always, I wish you prosperity and peace in everything that you do. Till next time, bye.